Unraveling, thanks all the same, a guide to gracious refusals. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as polite as it is puzzling for learners. Thanks all the same. This expression is a gem in the realm of courteous communication, and understanding it can add a layer of sophistication to your English interactions. So, let's get started. Thanks all the same is a phrase used to express gratitude to someone even though you are declining their offer or suggestion. It's a way to acknowledge the kindness or thoughtfulness behind the offer without accepting it. This phrase is steeped in politeness and is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. Imagine someone offers you an umbrella on a rainy day, but you have one already. Saying, "Thanks all the same," acknowledges the offer's thoughtfulness while politely declining it. It's the English language's way of maintaining goodwill and showing appreciation for the gesture itself, regardless of the outcome. Let's break down the phrase to understand its components better. Thanks, at its core, the phrase begins with a simple expression of gratitude. It's straightforward and universally understood. All the same, this part might seem a bit confusing at first glance. It suggests that despite the situation not changing your decision, in this case, declining the offer, your appreciation remains. It underscores that your refusal does not diminish the value of the gesture. Combining these elements, thanks all the same, becomes a nuanced way of saying, "I appreciate your offer as much as if I had accepted it." Knowing when to use this phrase is just as important as understanding its meaning. Here are some scenarios. Declining offers. When someone offers you something you don't need or want, but you wish to acknowledge their kindness. Refusing help with gratitude. If someone offers assistance that isn't necessary, using this phrase can gently refuse the help while still showing appreciation. Acknowledging advice. When someone gives you advice that you might not follow, but you want to show gratitude for their concern and effort. It's all about the tone and context. A sincere tone conveys genuine appreciation, ensuring the other person feels their goodwill was well received, despite the decline. Thanks all the same is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of the politeness and nuanced communication that the English language offers. It allows you to refuse without offending, highlighting the importance of gratitude in every interaction. We hope this video helps you navigate your English language journey with more confidence and grace. Thank you all the same for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.